Hi everyone, welcome to Presentation Pro, your online tutor for everything about presentations, PowerPoint, slides, and keynotes. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert your PowerPoint presentation file to a movie. There are several advantages if you have the movie file rather than the PowerPoint file. You can share easily or you can upload to YouTube or other online platform. The end user don't need to have the PowerPoint software installed to view the file. So now let's start creating one. Here I have a PowerPoint presentation with all the animation set up. It's a complete working PowerPoint presentation slides. Okay, so let's start. Okay, before we begin, let me remind you that I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 version. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint presentation file that I'm going to convert to a movie. So you go to File and then click Export. Then you have the option to put the file name and then the location where you want this to be saved. Then for the file format, for video file or movie file, you can choose either MP4 or MOV file. So both of these files are the same movie files. I'll just use the MOV and leave everything as default. Then click Export. So as you can see, there's a progress bar on the bottom and it shows converting to video file. So we're done converting the video. So it's now a movie file. But before we open the file, let me show you the animation I applied. So you know what to expect on our video. It's just a basic random bars animation. Okay, so let's open the file. This is the one. I'll open using my QuickTime player. So this is the video. There you go. That's our video file. So if you want your video to be uh, better, you can add sound or music to make it more alive. Again, to convert PowerPoint file to video, you just go to File and then click Export. Once you click Export, you just have to specify the file name, the location, and make sure to choose MP4 or MOV file because that's the two movie file extensions that we have in the market. So again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something from it and see you next time. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Presentation Pro. Check my other tutorials. See you next time. Stay safe.